Welcome. In front of me is a ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray which is located at the bottom of the phone. You don't need to take off the case of your phone if you are using the one that comes with the device, as it has, well, basically no plastic around this area. Anyway, at the bottom you have your tray next to your charging port. From here, push the pin into that little insert area that is part of the cutout of the tray. And once you push it in, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray, you have space for just SIM cards on either side. As you can see, it takes two different SIM cards. You can occupy both of these trays or one, and if you're planning to use one, it doesn't really matter which one. From there, pop it back into your device, and that's it. The card should start working right away. Now my SIM card, the one that I have inserted right now, does not have any kind of pin, so it automatically tries to look for reception, which it will fail at just because the SIM card has been deactivated for some time now. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.